I'm here today to show you this rare 4-bedroom detached period home in Whitstable Road, complete with off-road parking and brick-built garage. Let's go take a look around, shall we? On the ground floor, you are greeted with this wonderful entrance hall, and you also have 3 reception rooms. I love the cornicing and ceiling roses. These were designed and handcrafted to restore some of the property's original Victorian features. You also have this light, bright kitchen with granite worktops and gorgeous views out to the garden. Upstairs you have 4 bedrooms and a family bathroom, and the main bedroom comes with its own ensuite. This walled garden is simply stunning. You have a spacious patio with seating area, a kitchen garden complete with vegetable planters, and you're surrounded by shrubbery and beautiful blooms. The current owners have massively upgraded this home's energy efficiency by adding a number of energy enhancing features, resulting in this property being rated a B in its most recent Energy Performance Certificate. In short, that's incredibly rare for a Victorian property. A real bonus with this home is that it comes with off-road parking and a garage. Not bad for central Faversham. Whitstable Road is an ideal location for anyone interested in central Faversham, with its direct rail links to London, beautiful parks, quayside walks and quaint shops. So if you're looking for a delightful 4-bedroom detached period home right in the heart of central Faversham, then you have to come and see Whitstable Road. To book your viewing, contact Foundation Estate Agents today.